Want to know how to optimize the code into fewer lines in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. So if your code is too long and if you want to optimize it into a fewer lines, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily ask Cursor AI in order to optimize it and do things automatically for you. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Cursor AI, which should be on our channel. So make sure to watch it. So once everything is done and once you're under this interface, now, since we want to optimize the code, we need to refactor the program. So just simply select the entire code and then select quick edit. It should be right here. Now, once you have selected quick edit, here just simply type in this prompt. Now, once I've typed in the prompt, just simply select enter, and as you can see right here, your code is being edited out. Just simply select keep in order to keep your code, and that's it. Now, as you can see right here, our code has been super short with the function itself remaining. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.